not going to question anything. It's a minivan.
True.
Here. The windows are
now we're warm.
We have seatbelts on.
Oh.
Well,
how do I get the you burger?
Hey, watch your mouth. Hey.
How do you get to fuck you burger, Garrett?
Hey,
you go down Jones. Where's Jones?
Mike Jones.
Go this way.
Up your ass.
Left.
Dude, it's so nice to be t-shirt weather, windows down, air conditioning.
It is nice to be t-shirt weather.
Big pimpin' up here.
We haven't explained where we are yet.
Oh, we're in Las Vegas, by the way. Vegas, baby. In case anybody
And
cares.
it is currently 60 degrees outside.
Palm trees. On December 29th.
It is 38 in Boise.
Boo!
That's a whole lot warmer than I thought it would be.
You should have pushed those juice bottles away.
Out the window.
Well, not on the floor, they're gonna get lost.
So we're going to Fuku Burger and then we're going to Top Golf.
Okay, which way?
Left.
Left.
Mike Jones. So those who watch the Whippin' Shitties tour vlogs will recognize this is the place where I was brushing my teeth and Nick was shaving in the parking lot. After we left our Airbnb with nice bathrooms, and we wanted to feel authentic.
Conveyor restaurant. Is that like a sushi? Is that like a... Oh.
You're a disgrace to the animal kingdom. My day is ruined.
I've got pigeon ammunition.
Pigeon munition.
How about a 2-hour combat experience?
Jacob.
Terrible.
What? Might be illegal to feed the pigeons.
It is.
Might be.
No, it is.
Well, I'm not trying to feed them. I'm trying to hit them. I'm trying to kill.
You're 18 now. You better be
kill
careful.
shot.
You get arrested for feeding a pigeon. I'll go for Jacob's trying to get it
Water and sugar.
Let's go to Chippendales.
No.
I'm so excited, dude. I've wanted to go to this place every time we've been to Las Vegas. Top Golf.
I don't like California. There's too many fucking people.
Are you excited to see muscle cars?
Classic rod. That's a muscle car if I've ever seen one.
Well, we just went in to the Counts Customs, but they don't have video rights to the property, and I'm not trying to get sued by Discovery, so sorry. There's a couple cars in there.
Just a couple.
2 Countachs. That's pretty sick.
Don't tell anyone I took Snapchat.
Oh, you... I'm ratting you out, dude. Because I got footage of the front of the building. So they're going to be like, look, if you can help us catch someone who's a bigger offender, we'll drop your charges. Like, that's great. I know kids did some Snapchat videos inside.
Yeah, they do tours. Y'all let us in, Jacob? Oh yeah, alright, my bad. Yeah.
Dude, we're standing in an aisle of 300 and 500 gram Brothers and World Class cakes, and they're like $15 and $12. That's ridiculous. I love this place. Alright, so we just left the wonderful Red Apple fireworks, and we spent about $150 on fireworks. What's most impressive about that, though, is that's not the most I've ever spent on fireworks, but this is probably the most fireworks I've ever purchased in that realm. Like, each one of these boxes has like 42 shells in it. That World Class 500G cake was, what, 12 bucks, 15 bucks?
15 bucks.
That's insanity. And they even give you a fireworks permit, and they have like a designated place where you can light your fireworks. which is pretty sick. This is where Tupac got shot. Alright, we're trying again. This time with more people. I don't think we're supposed to be here.
We each alternate. I do one, then you do one, I do one. Ricky got more points. Oh, yes!
Alright, we're leaving Top Golf. It was super fun. I sucked ass and I was irritated, but it is what it is.
You were pretty bottom golf. Fred and I were pretty up there.
Oh yeah, were you? Is that so? So we're out here in Pahrump, Nevada, where we bought the fireworks the other night, and they have a legal shoot site where you can shoot illegal fireworks. All you have to do is pay $5 to have the permit, and no cop trouble out here, so that's pretty sick. Yeah, those are pretty good.
Yeah, these are good.
I don't hold them things, it's about that, but you know, you stick it in the tube, and it just goes down in there, you can't get it out.
Looks like they go up pretty good.
Hit it, Jake.
Oh, it's pointed that way now. Ow. There was like a solid piece of someone that hit me in the...
The fuse, it spits it out.
Oh, yeah, that was good. Those are the big boy ones. What are we doing? Lighting the cake?
Alright, Brennan's gonna light the 500 gram cake.
How many fuse?
Probably on the... Oh no. Ready? Yep.
Alright, here we go, guys. Oh, oh.
That worked really well. We decided it wasn't good enough.
Competition. Oh, you're supposed to open it.
Those are good, dude.
Oh,
Frag out.
what is that? Whoa, whoa.
Oh, the fuse.
Come on, Jacob.
The middle one's tough. Oh, there's a hole in it.
About to light the 3-inch one. We kind of got into a pissing match with the people on the other side. So that's why we went back and got more fireworks, because we wanted to be superior. Damn. For children. You guys get this front flip POV with me. Hey. Sick. You know, they say, Steve Regazio giveth, Steve Regazio taketh away. But Luca de Beto.
Are we going there first?
That's ridiculous.
we got hooked up with some Dick's Last Resort hats. Oh yeah. Mine on. Oh yeah.
Let me see the camera.
Yeah, you guys gotta get it together.
Okay, let me stand on the proper side.
I'm not gonna zoom. Tilt your head forward. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Round 3.
Going hard.
She should have held out and got the track.
Yeah, for real. All these carbon fiber accents. That's pretty sick.
Track.
You guys remember Chris? The SRT4 Neon. And now the SRT8. Nice.
Cutouts? Oh yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. A little rowdy.
Yeah.
Just a bit. How it sounded. That sounded good, but
Yeah. I like the sound.
that's really cool.
MXM. I know who made that sticker.
Get so much shit too, bro, in this thing because it's an MXM. Nobody likes it. They don't like that they changed the front end on it. They don't like that they set the full.
Yeah.
Because it's different.
Yeah, it's sick. The interior is all different. It's all suede, Alcantara. It's nuts, dude. One of 2 in the world.
It's pretty nice.
Pretty badass. I like this.
Like you guys are just hating.
Sound.
It sounds really good. Dude, this Z right here is crazy clean. 240Z. It's automatic though.
They got a lot of nice cars though.
Yeah, last time they had like pristine Volvo P1800. Damn.
Yeah.
It doesn't mess around. That's so. It's not.